So in this tutorial, we learn how to link CSS to HTML in VS Code. So CSS basically defines the styling and the layout of web pages, making the web page to be more appealing. So we'll first create a CSS file. Click the first icon, new file. I'll name my file style.css, and it's always important to include the .css extension. Press enter. So we have opened our CSS file. Come back to index.html. So linking CSS to HTML, you only need one line of code and your CSS will be linked. So this line of code should be placed in your header and not in the body. So I'll place my line of code after my title. So simply type link and press the tab key, and in between the quotes of href. So href basically create links that direct users to other web pages or within the same page. So in between the quotes, type in the same name of your file that you have recently created for your CSS. So I'll type style.css, and that's it. So with this line of code, you have linked your CSS to HTML. So we can test the CSS if it works by changing the color of the H1 and the H2 heading. So come back to the style.css. So type H1 for the H1 heading, open parenthesis, color. So we'll change the color from black to green. And the H2 heading, open parenthesis, change the color from black to red. And always save your file. So click Ctrl and the S key. So come back to the index.html file. So right click and select open in default browser. And you can see that our color has changed from black to green for the H1 and from black to red for the H2 heading. So that's how to link CSS to HTML in Visual Studio Code. Thanks for watching. I'm Edwin from Pro Education.